Hi, welcome back to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today for Recipes Testober, I'm going to be making some chai pear scones. This is from bakedbyanintrovert.com, and the link will be down in the bottom below. So if you want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. My dry ingredients I got going with flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, and freshly grated nutmeg. And then I mix that together. And then what I do when I need to cut butter in is I grate the butter by freezing it first and then grating it and then popping it back in the freezer for a little bit once it's done. And then I got going on my pears, just one actually, one pear. And then I put my cold butter into my dry ingredient mixture and mix that, and then folded in my pears and made some buttermilk and added vanilla to that, and then added that to the dry ingredients and mix that all together a little bit at a time so I didn't overmix it, but so it wasn't too wet, not too dry. And then I put it on a floured surface and laid it flat to cut it into 8 pieces to make some pretty big scones, and then put it on my baking sheet to pop in the freezer for 30 minutes. And once that was done, I brushed it with some cream and then put it in the oven for 20 minutes. And I made a cinnamon powdered sugar glaze. And I used the leftover cream that I didn't use on the first part, a little bit more cream, and then mix that together until it was all ready. And then once they were done baking, I just brushed them with some glaze. Alrighty, so the scones came out of the oven like 3 minutes ago. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. They smell so good. That's really good. The spices are really there, which I appreciate. I feel like if you're gonna call something a chai pear scone, you want those elements to be present. The pears in here, they're just like a fresh little nugget of sweetness that are here and there throughout the scone. These are really, really nice. I've never actually made scones before. I'm no professional, clearly, because I can't even remember to take my apron off. I just like good food, and these are good. I would rate these a 10 out of 10. Use seasonal fruit, they'll taste really, really good. They're pretty easy, but these are awesome. If you're looking for a nice breakfast treat or something to have with your afternoon cup of coffee, I highly recommend making these because these are just like the perfect balance of sweet and spices and comforting and just everything kind of wrapped up in fall is what these taste like. I really love these. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today on this Recipes Testober day. That was awkward. I appreciate it though. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes testing. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Can you say scone? Oh, okay. Nummy, nummy? Good.